Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials to simplify your scheduling. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit questions on your Calendly invitee form. Customizing these questions helps you gather the right information from participants and makes managing your events much easier. Start by logging into your Calendly account. From your dashboard, navigate to the Event Types section. Here, you will see all the events you've set up. Find the event you want to modify, click the three dots next to it, and select Edit. A pop-up will appear on the right side of your screen. Click on More Options to access advanced settings. Next, expand the invitee form section. This is where you can view all existing questions for your event. To edit a question, simply click on it. You can change the text, adjust answer choices, or even switch the question type. For example, from a single line text to multiple choice, if that better suits your needs. If you need to collect additional information, click the plus Add New Question button. Here, you can create your question, choose the answer type, and decide whether it's required for invitees to complete. Once all edits and additions are done, make sure to click Save Changes at the bottom. This ensures your updates are applied and your invitee form is ready to go. And that's it. Your Calendly form is now customized to collect the precise information you need, making your scheduling and event management smoother than ever. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Calendly tutorials.